Hello, 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 hello. All right. Now you should, yeah, you should be able to hear me now. Um, all right. So what I was saying, today is a triple witching day. We have a futures and options, weekly and monthly expirations. So we do expect a little bit more volatility. I was talking about the dollar coming off of this demand. I don't have anything on the rates, but damn, they have come down big time, and the market has gone up big time as well, right? So these are the areas that I have for now. This is yesterday's COT. In terms of supply, I don't have anything like very, very impactful here. I could go back and see if we could find something, but there's not something that I will rely on. Probably around here. Yeah, there we go. And it's tested. It's not it's a supply that is tested. Um so we'll see. It's a like a broad area here. It's not a I need to narrow it down. Um so that's what we have. Let's go to the execution tab. I do have this demand from 63 to 60 from yesterday, and prices are holding there. Let's see if we do have some buying signal to see if we can engage in this long, or what is going on for today's trading session. Remember, we have flash manufacturing PMI at 945 and flash services PMI at 945. All right, I'm gonna put George and Ale. Hey guys, welcome. What? Good
Good
morning.
morning.
What's up, guys?
All right, so we're
Good
all
morning.
on. We're all on. How do you guys did yesterday? I didn't even watch the market.
I didn't really trade yesterday. I mean, I was looking at the markets, yeah, but I didn't find my setup. I didn't find my edge, so I didn't engage in anything. I had a long limit order before the 10 a.m. at 68, so I was looking for the market to reach that zone on the first test, but instead it reached like 70 or 69, and it made what I wanted to do. But after that, I just went to the gym and had a workout.
Good.
Didn't really have an edge yesterday, so I didn't
Wow,
engage.
a lot of negative delta, bro. You see that?
Yeah, we'll look for a long at 46. Yesterday's the bounce from yesterday, that demand from yesterday was amazing. It was a clean V-shaped bounce
Yeah.
Yeah.
at 47.
So I'm looking at the Russell. It's pretty volatile right now. Hasn't gone anywhere, but very volatile.
It's weird because the ES the ES is dropping and then Nasdaq is holding right there.
Yeah. Everything's kind of doing its own thing right now.
Yeah.
They are definitely not in any sort of sync.
Yeah, the NQ is bullish, while the ES is more like a bearish. Bro, I don't dislike, honestly, I don't dislike this 67.25. Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Order submitted.
67.27 for short.
Yeah. Look at the advanced decline and the tick chart, bro. I don't know if
Nasdaq just broke its overnight high.
yeah. I think I'm gonna try this one. 67.25. I would like to see more momentum on the tick chart. It's very shallow though.
Where we have a flash PMI at 9:45.
Oh yeah. So
So
ideally
don't
to
get.
get
It should
filled.
be right now.
Yeah, like in the next 2 minutes. I'm about to. 65.
You have a limit order?
Yeah. I was about to. Now it's fucking gone. If I don't get filled in the next minute, I'm just waiting for
In the
the.
order?
If I get filled, yes. If I don't get filled in the next minute, I cancel the order till after the news. So Jay is saying that yesterday the ES took the high and the NQ took the low. We might have divergence in the opposite today. Let's see what's going on.
Yo, the ADD is fucking wow.
It's diverging big time, no?
Wow. Yeah. Big time.
Oh shit! I
And
didn't
he's
get.
breaking highs again right now.
I didn't get filled, bro. Damn. Whoa, that's crazy. Cause the look, you see this? Wow.
You
The
get filled or no?
No, I did not. I
What's
did
your order
not.
at?
Bro, look at this. 67 25 but oh shit. No, that's not the right one. It's this one. You see that? On the ES it got there, but on the MES did not. See that? But I feel like canceling the order. Well, you know what? I'm gonna keep it because of the tick chart. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at the advanced decline, bro.
It doesn't look bad. It really doesn't look bad. Just be
It
careful with
doesn't.
the news.
Yeah,
Just
that's
be
true.
careful with the news.
That is true. The worst thing that can happen is that I lose one trade.
Hmm.
All right, so the tick chart is at 0.
Order filled.
I'm in it. Yeah, look at that advanced decline, bro. It turned around completely.
I'm not a very big fan of days like today when all the markets are
Not in sync.
mixed.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be stopped out. But my risk is not very high though. Is 4 points. So the thing is that probably we might close the gap. We might close the gap here. And then a drop on the advanced decline if it doesn't change.
Bro, Russell is crazy volatile right now. I gotta stay away right now from the Russell. Crazy volatile.
1 minute for the news. I probably will get stepped out at the news.
Where's your stop at?
71.
$30.
What is that spread, bro? 3 ticks. You see that? On the ES. The fuck? What is this volatility, bro? Yeah. The advanced decline is bouncing. It's bouncing from there. So I don't know. Yeah. Now
It's
buyers.
getting, yeah, but
Yeah, now buyers are now stepping in. Yeah, advanced decline is bouncing, bro. That's not bueno. And now we have a positive tick.
Nasdaq is dropping
Yeah.
big time. So I
Big
mean,
time?
just not big time, but it
No,
is
it's just
retracing.
now it's
Retracing, yeah.
Let's see if ES can follow. What's your target?
Now it's 56. But we
Not too
need to
crazy,
break.
honestly.
No, it's not crazy, but we
We
need
need
to
to break
break
the lows.
64. 64. 64 is going to be very, very tricky there.
Let's see if NQ can. All right, take is looking good. 80 is trending lower, so
Yeah,
brother
ADD
trade is not
is
looking bad.
ADD is finally going lower. So I'm impressed that I survived the news, to be honest.
Yeah, I mean there
Huh?
was not really a, like you said, the spread was 3 ticks on the ES.
Yeah, but it was 3 ticks for the ES is not a small thing.
No, I know. That's fine.
Bro, I need the tick chart to go below minus 600, and it's not. Yeah, look at that shit, bro.
You see, that was just a bounce in the ES. NQ still holding. Oh,
No. Yeah, it doesn't look good though. Yeah, I don't see follow through, bro, on the tick. Honestly. So the NQ is trying to push lower. That's good. Let's see if we can follow on the ES. Not really. I mean, I wouldn't take a long, that's for sure. Not with these internals. Would you, Ale?
no. I want to take it at 47.
And it's building value right now. Yeah, we need the tick. We need the tick. That's what we need. Not the advanced decline. We need the tick to collapse. We need a big push on the tick, bro. That's what we need. That's the thing. That if you don't have
Russell's trying to make its way down, but it's the only one really trying to go down.
Yeah, that's why the advanced decline is down. Because of the Russell. The majority of the
The-
advanced huh?
Yeah, the NQ is holding above the overnight high right now, essentially.
Yeah. Yeah, fucking tick, bro. Yeah, it does not look good at all, bro. Yeah. Looks like we might have a run to the upside. I need to learn and distinguish the tick chart when it has no momentum, bro, to the downside, because that's the thing. Even if the market is dropping and if the tick chart does not hit -6 or 8, we need to learn to cut the trade because it's gonna turn around eventually, especially when the short term and long term, trend is fucking up. Yeah, it is what it is. It's a learning experience.
Stop filled.
There you go.
It's a nice short from 2020. I'm assuming you're out by now. Nice trade. I got stopped out break even in a trade I tried to take earlier there. It's too volatile right now. I didn't get a good enough entry. I haven't gotten a good enough entry. No new high on the NQ.
And we didn't close the gap on the ES either. It was a barely new high, 2 ticks. But I don't think we should take shorts until the end of the year, honestly. Like big funds are not gonna sell shit. They're gonna wait till next year. No, I don't have. I don't really see it. I don't really use it. I just have it there for people to watch it, but I don't use the Superdome.
This is not my price action.
Bro, it's not bad. It's been very volatile, but probably my entry was not good.
My yeah, my risk is not this is too volatile for my risk parameters right now. Hasn't given me any a clean setup with a decent risk reward. I missed a couple of shorts, but
I don't know if the short is the answer right now, bro. I know it's dropping and I was short.
Yeah, well, I don't think the long is the answer either.
No, the long is not, but at least I have an area there, like 63 to 60 is holding. Look at that shit. Look how it bounced at 63.
Yeah, but it's getting rejected big time.
Done.
the Russell is friggin'
Yeah, breaking highs.
doing nonsense right now.
And it's not even something that I could rely on the order flow. Like there's nothing. It's very. I mean, for instance, the candle at 959 minus 1300 delta.
On the Russell, we're more than double the ATR from yesterday on a 1 minute candle. Like these
Oh
candles
my
are
god. Oh wow.
these candles are ridiculous.
Bro, what could happen in the ES is sweep of stops and then it goes keep driving up. I don't know. The ES is acting weird.
Bro, look at the NQ, bro. It's just going hard.
Do I think it will go low enough to buy? Yeah. I mean, it certainly could, but again, this is just extremely volatile. None of the markets are in sync, and this is my least type of successful trading day. Like, one of my biggest indicators for trading is that if I want to be long, I want to see all the other markets trying to go long. Or if I'm going short, that they're going short. I mean, Dow's below the overnight low, NQ is above the overnight high, ES is at the overnight low, Russell's in the middle of the range. As of right now, it's definitely a make it take it type of trading day. You're definitely not trying to hold for any long runners. Um, your buys down at 1950.
Bro,
Such a weird day.
that's for next week, bro.
Yeah, that's like it's possible, but I mean that's not happening between now and 11 a.m.
No.
I mean, I'd like to see what it does if it gets back to the overnight low on the Russell. If it double bottoms, gives me some sort of potential to get long there. Or even comes down to like really 1980, 1985, somewhere around there. But 1950 is a long ways away right now.
Yeah, bro. If the ES breaks 70, then this thing is fucking gone.
And I need this ATR to come down on these 1 minute candles. It's trying to come down now. But it's up near 4 points. That's 40 ticks in a 1 minute candle. Like,
Have you taken anything, George?
I took a short. I got stopped out break even.
Then the Nasdaq could break its highs right now. The intraday highs.
Right, I'm starting to look more for the long.
The thing is that we don't have any clear direction, bro. If you tell me we break the pivots at 70, all right, maybe yeah, but
Advanced decline is turning a little bit more positive.
yeah, it's trending, starting to trend up.
And tick has no momentum to the downside. Dollar is static and rates are going down. See if in the next 5 minutes we can have a break to the upside.
Let's see this 70. I'll react to this 70. Yeah, that 70 is pretty sensible.
So. It's my spring 2024 estimate. Yeah, that sounds about right. No trade is a good trade. NQ may have double top there.
Wow. NQ is
Be nice if the NQ double tops there and starts to make its way down. Got another 15 points to the VWAP.
no momentum at all.
Yeah, I think the long is better. Like if you compare the candles.
Yeah, I'm
I
starting
mean,
to.
we've had more aggressive candles to the downside though.
Which one?
Bro, this one, the one at 1011, the one at 957,
10, 11.
959.
That's the only one, but look, we already eat it up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the thing. We cannot break. The sellers are getting absorbed. So if it breaks the 70, then this thing is gonna fucking pop.
Yeah.
They're gonna be underwater, be forced to cover. Like I wouldn't be surprised if we reach yesterday's high, which is 92.
There you go. New 15 in 1 minute. I might take a long on the next one. I might take a long on the next candle.
Long here, the Russell from 2021. Ooh. Dirty rejection. If it breaks this candle low, I'll be out.
Let's see.
I'm
As I
not.
said, the 70 is going to be a very sensible point. But if it manages to break it, then it's going to skyrocket.
So far, it didn't get me by 1 tick. New 15 in 20 seconds.
Bro, no clear direction, bro. What is this price action?
These 5-minute candles are ugly.
70 is holding pretty well.
I'm out there.
Wanna break even?
-1.
Bro,
Hey,
it's
George, but you.
Mhm.
Sorry.
No,
You
no,
trade breakouts, right, George?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, look at
I
that.
try. It's not as much a breakout as I am trying to wait for like a confirmation candle.
Okay. You're like more like a formations trader.
Yeah.
Okay.
bro, it's weird because advanced decline is like sort of like trending up, right? But it's diverging to a downside.
Bro, I don't think I will be honest, I don't think the internals are playing a part on the market today because look at the tick. Look
Yeah,
at the
no,
tick.
no, the tick is good. The tick is
Tick is
telling
literally
you.
neutral.
No, yeah,
It's making lower higher lows if you see look higher low,
no,
higher low, higher low.
it doesn't work like that. Like it's spending the majority of time on the positive side, and when it drops, it doesn't drop minus 400 more than minus 400. So that tells you there is no momentum to the downside.
Yeah, and it
Uh,
hasn't printed like any like negative
yeah,
candle to the
if it
downside.
gets me like minus 1000, minus 800, I will change my bias. But even if the tick goes to minus 500, it's still, I do think is still positive for the market.
ESNQ breaking up, but Russell's trying to break down.
Yeah, it's weird.
Fuck.
So this is a big rejection on the ES though, 72. That's a minus 100 delta from plus 1000. So there are a lot of sellers there.
Let's see if sellers can be active, but
Yeah, look at that shit. And with that delta difference, bro, and
yeah,
the
you
market
saw it.
does not drop,
The one at 1017,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
No?
look at that
Wow.
shit.
Look at the amount of volume too.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's holding right there.
Yeah, but you know when it drops fast. It drops fast. It doesn't drop like in.
Oh. Yeah, if it breaks that, then those sellers and from that candle are gonna be underwater too.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be even better for the longs.
The thing
Let's
is
see if
that
they're able to hold it.
the thing is, what location do we trade along? 66, 67. Hmm.
6750, 6650.
That's what I'm thinking of. Yeah, but you have the Russell pointing down and you have the NQ pointing up. That's why the ES is static. It's not doing shit. $68.
Bro, what do you say about the tech? Do you have like any like clear direction on the tech?
All right, so just glance at it. Where it is spending more time, honestly.
I mean, it's making more positive prints than negative prints. That's for sure.
That's your
We
answer.
haven't.
That is your answer. Now the other question is, when the market drops, how far does it go? Look, I was short, and the tick got to minus 458. So when I was up like 3 points, how much I was up? Yeah, like 4 points. Should have gone below minus 600. If it doesn't go, you have to stay away. And that's I mean, I've been can I say this? Like I know that for a fact that we need the momentum for the market to drop, right? But sometimes I don't make the decision. That trade that I lost should have been a break even. Most. And the worst part, bro, is that we did have the zone. We did have 63. You see that?
Maybe, yeah, I think.
I had it here since the open. I had this area since the open.
Yeah, you had a demand there, right? You told me.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I was a little bit confused because you were like you had the demand there and you were like, shorting close to your demand. I was a little bit like confused at first when you
Well,
were taking
no.
the short.
Look at the location of the demand, bro. It's not a good location. And then We tested at the open. We tested 1, 2, 3 more, and then I got in. I said, all right, it's already weak, but it's not. It held. And the fact that we did not have the momentum to the downside, that's why the market is not dropping.
Maybe what could happen is since we could reach like the overnight and then like an aggressive sell-off, probably. Like that wouldn't surprise me.
90.
88, probably 90, 88 area. If we don't get the aggressive sell-off right now.
There it goes, your sell-off. And look at the tick.
Was that so that could have been the entry?
Yeah, 68. I do have something at 68. I do have the COT for the 1016 candle. Look at that candle.
No follow through anywhere. Just the.
Oh.
I wouldn't even call the NQ having any follow through.
Let's see. Yeah, NQ is. Let's see if VS can break this highs.
Russell breaks down, quick rejection back up. Breaks down, reject back up.
Yeah, that's what's happening in the ES, bro. You have aggressive selling, and then they're like out of nowhere, like they just get absorbed, and then we go with the cycle of slow trend up. Then we get aggressive sell off, we get absorbed, and then we keep going up. Maybe we can get a pop.
If the next 15 pops, that's it for us today.
I'll be right.
Dale. Yeah, no, there's nothing to the downside.
Right up. Bro, look at the tick print. Wow.
Yeah. But to be honest, it's something that we saw coming, right? It
I
is
mean,
something that we saw coming. Like I learned my lesson. And now the advanced decline is definitely more resilient to the upside. I really thought we could have such a drop today, like because of the advanced decline until 937.
yeah, we're diverging big time on the advanced decline.
Yeah, no, I mean my trade was not bad. Probably location is not optimal. My mistake could have been not seeing the tick chart going below minus 600.
BRB.
Huh?
BRB. No, BRB.
Okay.
Es que tú.
What's going on?
One of those days. Russell just formed like a little bull flag, which normally I would take, but I'm not interested in anything right now until I see some follow through.
What do you want, George? What follow through do you want? To the upside, to the
At this
downside?
point, I needed to break above the VWAP, like a breakout above the VWAP, or a break below the first hour low, or a retest of that first hour low that gets rejected like back up, but it's been in a basically from been in an 8-point range for the last 30-40 minutes. Which, if they were like clean moves in that 8-point range, it wouldn't be terrible. But that 8-point range with a 3.5-point ATR, it's gone down now. The ATR 2.5 points, but it was up near 4 points at the beginning when it started the range. Chop chop. So for me, a break above the VWAP, and then a retest of either these highs or of the VWAP, some sort of formation that I can trade, but it needs to get outside of this range. Welcome to triple witching garbage.
Literally. Literally. If you were long from this lows, will you take your profit here?
If I was low from this long, it would depend on if you'd already taken profit. Like,
I mean,
if you already scaled, if you've been scaling out, I would contemplate waiting for it to get back to the high, to like 78-ish, around there. 77, 78. If it's like your only contract. I would start to trail it pretty tight.
Yeah, that was our trading day, or at least for me. Because I'm not taking, I missed the 68. 68 could have been a good entry. And after that, I don't think it's coming down, honestly. Now tick chart is aggressively above 0, and advanced decline is trending up. Unless
when I go to the sauna today?
Yeah, you worked out shoulders, right? Yesterday.
Yeah, the shoulders yesterday.
You've had good entries there. At 17.9. No, I don't. OP VOG.
That's Pearson.
You've definitely had good entries.
Did they arms yesterday, Franco?
Yeah, I did.
How was the workout?
It was great. It was great. Let's see if I have something here. Like, that's the thing. I don't have any like 69 3/4. 71, bro. But 71. Yeah, this 72 has to hold. That's the thing. And I'm not the type of guy that takes 72.
No follow through, Pearson.
Pearson short?
Huh? No, he was long. This has
Okay,
just been
copy.
faking breakouts all friggin' day.
And keeps losing momentum to the upside.
Slow, huh? Today.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere.
I mean all of them.
Yep. So even the NQ that's been
Yeah,
going up
it's-
is not. It's not going.
It's nothing. It was a news here.
9:45, but
No,
this
8.
was
8. No, I mean
no.
I mean-
this was
here.
no. This was just the open. 9:30.
And 8:30.
Over here. There was manufacturing index and wholesales
Oh.
pushed down, but it recovered pretty quickly. This was literally open and it shot up from there. I actually took a short at the open and got stopped out break even there as well. I think I made a few ticks on it, but I was expecting it to run. It looked like it could run just before the open, and then I tightened up my stop because it didn't. The NQ was coming down, but the Russell did not follow at the open. Chopped around for a few minutes before it really dropped. The NQ started dropping before the open. I was kind of expecting the Russell to follow the NASDAQ there, but it did not. With this Russell, though, I keep my stops pretty pretty tight, and I trail them pretty tightly as well.
This could be a sell-off.
You keep saying
That's funny, bro.
if you say it enough times, eventually you fucking
Yeah,
get it.
yeah. You're like, you know, this guy.
This
What's
could be a
his?
sell-off, bro. Don't make
No,
fun of
no.
me. Dile.
What's this guy? Chicken Little, Bobo Boy. ¿Cómo se llama? What's this guy?
Bennett.
No,
Bennett?
Peter. No, no, no. Yes, yes. Peter. Peter Shift.
I mean,
do you know Peter Shift? You know who's that? Who that guy is?
No idea.
Yeah, he's a perma bear. He's being
He thinks we could be at all-time lows.
yeah, no, he been
that
predicting
long.
an Armageddon for
Yeah.
15 years, bro. Basically, after the GFC, and we're just hitting all-time highs. The guy talks, bro. And look, it's easy. It's easy to lean to the short side. I don't know why. I used to be like that too. I mean, I'm a little bit of a chicken little too. But yeah, it is what it is.
Don't make fun of my sell-off, bro. You guys were making fun of my 80 the other day.
You're in it?
No, I'm not.
I mean, buyers are trying to
I will-
hold this shit, but it's
I would not. No location. I would take a short at 78 or 80, but I mean, I would not with this internals, obviously, and with this price action. And also, it's a little too late, but
yeah. Look, didn't even get to my 71. It got to 71.25.
you have
No,
an order as anyone?
No. I was like looking for that level. But actually, I don't dislike 67. The only thing is that well, let's see if it take makes a -6, I will be more inclined to. But yeah,
VIX is pushed up slightly. I don't know what the dollar is doing. Franco, do you remember what the dollar symbol is on TradeStation?
yes, US dollar. Yeah.
Oh, we didn't know like that.
Type in US dollar. Did it work?
No.
That's the FXCM US dollar on TradeStation. US dollar. 2 L's.
Yeah.
Would this be the sell-off?
Could it be?
Could it be the sell-off that we've been waiting for? No, bro, you know what? Like 73 quarters where the red line is, that could be a support. This one. And it's a bias changing zone. The only thing is what's the risk? What the risk has to be.
Yeah, I have the Dixie's Pearson, but it's delayed. Franco said I could do the FXCM dollar one, but it doesn't. None of that pops up.
Do you Google? Do you Google it?
Bro, I've Googled it like 20
Nothing comes.
times.
Yeah,
And it's
it's weird
annoying.
that.
It's annoying because I have the Forex. Like I can pull up like euro dollar and shit.
Oh, you know what?
But
Wait. Um, Go to TradeStation where you look for the indexes with the for the stock symbols.
Um,
Filter by index and type in US. It should show up. It should show up.
I
no
think
sell off.
I'm not
No sell
set up.
off.
You know what?
I'm not set up for it because when I go to that, the only options are equities, options, or futures. I'm gonna have to email Trace. Go into my setting,
That's why you don't have
my account.
the data. Yes, but that's weird because forex data is free.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. I have the. I can. I'm looking at the euro dollar. Like I can pull up the euro dollar on.
Hmm. Yeah, that's crazy. And this one should be free actually, the US dollar, because that's FXCM US dollar. I don't like it too much. I like the DX better.
There
We
goes that sell off.
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That. I mean, my MACD has been so flat today, so flat on like all of my time frames. It's ridiculous.
The what? The what?
The MACD. I have the MACD.
Oh, the MACD.
Yeah, it keeps me out of
Do you get
stuff.
an edge? Do you get an edge from the MACD?
I do. It keeps me from getting into things too early. I like to like you're like a sell off. Like I want to wait for the 3 minute to finally cross over. Like it will break down, but it will inevitably have a pullback,
Yeah.
and then like on its way back down, the MACD will cross, and that would be like that's my confirmation. That's one of my confirmations to get in. This has been so flat though that finally broke up through the VWAP on the Russell. Oh, ES on that breakdown really just was a retest of it, of the VWAP. It's a nice little pullback there.
Bro, we might have the 69 again. because we're building value is being built at below like from 70 to 64. That's the value for the day. To 65, sorry. So I might engage at 69.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, there's no short whatsoever, no based on the tick. Tick is freaking good. And now advanced decline is catching up. Nasdaq from another planet, bro. That shit. Fuck.
The 9:30 candle on what time frame? On what time frame the 9:30 candle? I don't see what you're saying there, Pearson. For me, though, you're short at like 2020 because you got short at 2020. It broke down, retest on that retest, confirmation of that MACD pointing down, and that was one of your shorts there. Gone. Russell's now back above the open. Above the opening range. Dow and the ES still have to push a little bit more to get out of the opening range, but they're headed there.
2 point stop loss.
Yeah.
George, what time frame you were talking about the RTY? Because Pearson wants me to put the
Say that again.
what is your MACD settings?
Whatever the standard ones are. I think it's like 9 and 26 or something. 12, 26, 9.
Is this one? Yeah, 12, 26, 9.
Yeah.
I don't know. Pearson is having a romance with you, bro. So take over. I have it in the screen.
He was asking about you the other day. The what is it that they call them? The fuck. Forgot.
This is breaking a bull flag here. I'm long on this break of the bull flag.
My way.
Oh my goodness.
Hmm.
Dear Lord.
That is the word.
9:30 MACD. That's what I'm. He says at 9:30 that it crossed up. I don't.
Thank you. Thank you, Ariub. Thanks, bro. Trying to get better every day. Today was a complete wreck. And not my trade was not the worst trade. My risk was fairly low. But internals turned around, and in reality the short hasn't been working for like 2-3 weeks now. So let's
I
wait
think
for the what?
I think to take the market short, like it has to be like a big time frame zone, or I don't know.
Yeah, but we're already like at all-time highs.
Yeah,
Almost.
that's why. Or wait for the bias to change, then we can start taking shorts.
No, or at least have like a very good supportive internals, right? But look, it's a lesson that we need to keep learning. Now, if you see me taking a short, right? Let's say I'm in a short, and the tick chart does not follow through. You have to, you must tell
Tell
me.
you.
Yeah, it's up to you, bro. You're my
Yeah.
accountability partner.
Yeah.
You need to tell me what I'm not seeing, right?
Yeah, no, I really didn't. I was just looking. I was just on top of the what is it called, the ADD the whole time. I was just on top of the ADD the whole time. So I just didn't pay attention. I should have, honestly. But I was just looking at the ADD the whole time.
Pearson, you're like in Central Time or something, right?
Yeah, he's in Texas.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So the 10:30 can. Okay. Yeah. 10:30 candle. That's why I was not seeing what he was seeing.
Yeah, bro.
I closed it with no follow through there.
Break even?
No, I took like a quarter R loss, but it's flushing back down. On that, my trading is done for the day and for the week. I'll be back on Tuesday, gentlemen.
Dale. Have a nice weekend.
Have a good weekend.
Have a
Catch
good
y'all
weekend,
next week.
George.
Later, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Oh my god. Oh my god. So sauna today, or what do you say?
Yeah, I'm gonna go
No.
work out. I'm gonna do shoulders, and then I'll get to your house.
All right. Are you gonna do it right now? Like, if you want, like right after you finish, you can come to
To the gym.
the sauna. Right after you finish the gym, you can come to the sauna. Like, if you're gonna go right now, then I might as well go right now.
Bro,
I don't think I'm gonna
I'd rather lunch first. What do you say?
lunch first. Lunch first.
What time
You
are you
hungry?
going? You have anything to do in the
No,
afternoon?
no, I don't have anything to do in the afternoon. All of my friends left to Vegas without me.
Oh yeah,
Um,
yeah, that's right.
I'm just locked in, bro. They asked me if I wanted to go, but I told them no. I'd rather just save up money and then invest it in this, bro. Honestly, I
That's
respect
this.
them. Honestly, the goal is to obviously be able to go with them, but I don't think right now is the time to just be doing those trips. Rather save up and just grind it out. Honestly. KMOL. KMOL.
Just sent this to you. Oh my goodness, I'm happy. right. So we got to 71, right? And we're bouncing back again. Could be it, bro. That could be it. That was the move. 5 seconds for this. We might have a little bit of a sell-off there. I think chart is a new low.
Yeah, I just saw a picture.
What do you
If
say?
printing it slow, I don't know. I wouldn't take it, but
Yeah, I don't. What time is it? It's 9.
11:15.
11:09. Yeah,
11:09. Sorry.
11:09. So I think we could get it down to 68. And now I think is more negative. What do you say?
I mean, yeah, it's being more negative. I don't know. Like we were talking about not taking shorts in this environment.
Yeah,
But
but now look at the tick. And advanced decline is responding too. No, how do you call that? No divergence on the advanced decline? No divergence on the advanced decline? What is this looking on the daily? Yeah, it's not looking pretty for the short. All right, guys, that's it for me today. I managed to close the week a little bit on the red. Nothing damaging. I'll see you guys next week. Sometimes it's good just to retreat and recoup and come back. Okay? So I'll see you guys on Monday.
bye, everyone.
Bye.